So now, guys, on our pound JPY, actually it was on the sixth, no, on the fifth or fourth. I did analysis on our pound JPY, and actually it was actually a good trade. By the way, you can see where the arrow on our MetaTrader, where I actually took my shorting position. I actually made a lot of profits. I actually did analysis on this our pound JPY. You can check it the previous video. I was correct, by the way. So that's why I want you to actually subscribe so you can be able to get my analysis if you are new to this channel. Now we actually predicted that our pound to our JPY would be falling, and it actually did exactly just that. It actually did that. Now, where do you think our price would actually be going now? Let me take here as a key level area here. You can see here as a key level area here. Once our price has hit this our support, we are expecting a bullish move again. So just 4 hour time frame, you can actually see that we are actually buying on our pound JPY. The shorting is now over. It is now time to buy. Right now, let's sit on our JPY. By the way, I did analysis on this one too. We can see it on my daily time frame. We are on a bullish move. We add a retracement, right? We add another bullish move, right? We also add this retracement. It was this retracement advice that I gave you an advice on how we should take our trade, which we actually did. No, so as we can see, we've actually added this retracement, right? What do you think we are going for now? What do you think we are going on our JPY? Our JPY now go pushes up again, breaking our previous higher highs. When I predicted that our JPY would be going up, our pound itself will be falling, it actually did just that. Now our pound JPY is now falling, by the way, and it is going to be falling to this area here. We can see our key level area here. We can see its key level area here. I will be highlighting it, this area here. So as we are having that fall on our JPY, any pair we are trading to our JPY should actually be pushing up, exactly what we should be aiming for. So as we are expecting a drop, we should be seeing a bullish move on our pound to our JPY. Now let's sit on our 4 hour time frame on our JPY index. As you can see on the index itself, we are actually going bearish. You can see it, a lower lows, lower highs, right? Came back to test this our key area here. Another lower lows, right? Lower highs again. Guess what again? We are actually now aiming for a drop on our JPY index. So as we are getting a drop on our JPY index, our pound itself will be going bullish. As you can see it on our 4 hour time frame, a bullish move, retracements, and a continuous bullish move. So our advice, let's continue to take our pound JPY bullish to at least this our key level area. We can see here where our price once serves as a support area. We can see it as a support area, here. When our price pushes up, it fell down. So we would want to see that bullish move, a push up on our pound to our JPY to that our key level area there before we can probably see a fall or a continuous breakup, push up. But above all, let's take our buy position, giving us at least 120 plus pips. We would be grabbing on this our pound JPY, which is actually good. So pound JPY, it is actually a buy we will be aiming for on our pound JPY. That is on our 4 hour time frame. And another reason why we should actually be taking our buy is that on our 4 hour time frame, our price is above our 10 period moving average, which is on our 4 hour time frame says it is actually a clear buy. Let's see what our daily time frame says. And you can see it, but it is below, by the way. So probably if you want to take that buy position, as we can see on our daily time frame, we should actually take it up here. That should actually tap our 10 period moving average. Then we can actually continue to see a fall. As we can see, it happened previously when our price pushes up, it tapped our 10 period moving average, then it fell, right? Now it has given us that bullish move. Let's see if it will tap our 10 period moving average before it fall again. But our 4 hour is an indication that we should actually buy because our price is above our 10 period moving average. So thank you. That is my analysis for the day. Thank you.